Good afternoon, viewers. You can see the rooted plants. You can see the profuse rooting, branched almost the most matured stage, because we have added little bit of charcoal also. So just because of charcoal, we have a very good root induction in the Gerbera genotypes, especially the white variety, maybe red, and other varieties may be here. You can see this one also, and this root also contains the agar, because just now we have released from our culture vessel, so it contains lot of agar here and there. So we have to remove this agar. You can see the agar and the media. So we will now discard and we will wash out the agar, because this will again bring the ant and other insects, because this media also contain little bit of sugar. So in order to make it fungus free or the bacteria free, we have to wash the agar first, and then we have to treat these plants with a little bit low dose of fungicides before we transplant in the coffee pot. So now we will show how we wash it. See how you can see the washing system. So just they are removing the extra bit of agar. You can see the rooted plants. So this is how these are our technical farmers, and they are trained enough to wash, because the care has to be taken not to damage the root, because if you damage the root, the mortality will be higher in the primary transplantation. See, so because of profuse branching of the root, the one plant is attached with the second one, so sometimes it is difficult to make a separation without damaging the plants and roots. So this is how they washed out the agar. Now the next stage is to treat these plants with a low dose of fungicide. Say this is the fungicide powder. Any fungicide you can use in this stage, but it should be contact group, and it's a Mericlone, if I'm not wrong, although we have no level here. The level is already out. So this is Indophil. It's a very popular and widely used fungicide. We will use hardly 2 gram per liter to disinfection the plantlets we have just released. This is the plantlet, and we have now make the solution of this fungicide, and we will treat it, the basal portion especially. See the fungicide solution. This is now we will treat. I will treat the plants. Here we will keep this way hardly 1 minute or maximum 2 minutes. 1 to 2 minutes treatment. So this is the treatment with a low dose of contact fungicides, especially the Mericlone, to destroy any kind of fungi within the root system or even with the plant part. So the treatment time is over. So now we are transplanting. See the technology. It's very simple, but the soil texture has to be very loose, airy, and not too wet, not too dry. In between, the sand, cow dung, and especially it prefers sandy soil. And we have also treated the soil with the other fungicide and pesticide. So see how they transplant. This is very simple, and within 7 days or within 2 weeks the plants will resume growth with 2 to 3 leaves stays. Then we will sure that our primary hardening is successful. So that's all. Until next video, stay well. Bye bye.